My name is Funmi Akindele. I want to talk about this rape and down rape matter. Mother, we have work to do. Alert your children, alert them, teach them sex education. Call your boys. Come, rape is not good. If you rape someone, your life will be cursed forever. Do you want your life to be cursed? Let them know how rape is bad. Tell your girls, nobody should touch you, your chest, your bumper. No man should lap you in the laps. Don't let anybody touch you. If anybody touch you, come and tell me. I'm your mother. I will listen to you. Close to your daughter, close to your children. Gist with them. Make friend with them. Listen to them. If they come back from school, who touched you today? What do you see today? Listen to your children. It's not everything about work and busy. Listen to your children. Even this house girl, house help, house boy, gate man, drivers, they abuse the children. Close with them. Mother, we have work to do. Then let me talk about this Busola rape. Busola, you are there with man of God, indeed, and you know your heart is not a rape, because you are claiming Pastor Biodun come to your father's house, so come and rape you there. It's not possible. Nobody. It's chop which you have guts to come to your father's house and come and rape you there. Where you used to go here, in your house for Eliza or whatever, and you don't plan there to put drugs into your drink or something to rape you there. You now come to your father's house. You are claiming your sister is upstairs, is not the door. He opened the door for him. He pushed you into the chair in the living room. I say, shh, Busola, what I'm about to do, you'll be fine. Shh. He's opened the beds, and you lie down there like this. Shh. He opened the beds, he bunch on you, he started doing it. You are doing like, after finish it, he now say, it's rape. He went back into his car and bring lemon to you, put it to your mouth. You are drinking it. Have you called that one rape? And the same person that you are claiming is rape you went back to his house to go and claim for him. The person that rape you, when you're supposed to be cursing the person day and night, you go back to this house to go and do cleaning. He touching your bum, touching everywhere. The wife now say he will drop you at bus stop. He say no. The wife say, I follow daddy now, follow pastor. He was driving. The place was bushy. He stopped the car. When he stopped the car, when he opened the own door, the driver door, to turn like this, he cannot open door and run. Come on, people, come and help me. He opened the door. He come down. He take you to the boots. You lie down for the boots. You put your bum in the back very well. Places. Me and you know now. If you don't put your bum very back very well, penis cannot enter. So you put it back very well for the penis to enter. You are doing after you done, he say he rape you. They rape for touch at all, for dog style. Oh Jesus, fear God now. They fuck you everywhere, beside the bush everywhere. Couple. My pity. When your husband has you, how do you lose your virginity. Yeah, better tell the truth. Pastor Biodu is my former love. If he, unfortunately, maybe Pastor Biodu was one of Amugbo that smoke in Akala, do you claim he raped you? You will not. Because he see it up, what to throw it back. You are dealing with man of God, oh, I pity for you. Better say the truth. And the truth has set you free. I have pity for great Nigeria women. You are a fool. I don't blame you. You are so white. Great Nigeria women indeed. When great Nigeria women, when 65 years old man rape a 5 years, where the enough evidence is on the floor. Where is great Nigeria woman there? Where great Nigeria woman, where 70 years old man rape a 5 years again with a full of evidence? Where's get Nigeria woman then? Where Regina woman, when a father rape the whole daughter of 80 years? Where great Nigeria woman? So now, you now go as so white. You say, because you want to fight man of God, I will give you some psalm. Go and read it. There. You see the curse you are upon your life and your family. I pity for you. Because Busala already knows, say you already carry curse. When you was 10 years, you are slapping a man older than your father. Because he come and do driver for your dad, you are slapping him. When he was 10 years. The man cursed you too. You are even look for people that will join you with that curse. You very plain at that time. You are very sharp. So when we are now 18 years, you are not dull. You are not sharp again. I remember one day when I was 15 years, when my mommy sent me to one of him pastor to go and collect a Sunday school booklet or something. When I get there, the pastor was reading Bible. He said, "Who is that?" I knocked the door. I enter. I said, "It's you, Fumi. Sit down." I said, "My mom said I should collect a booklet." You don't ask me to come and sit here. "Pastor, please give me." He stood up. He said, "Are we fighting?" So he now put hand on my shoulder. He said, "Now you are a big girl. Come on, let me carry you. Let me play with you." I quickly shouted like mad. I saw one of bottle. They used to do this Venus cream inside bottle that time. I carried that bottle of that cream and knock it on. He quickly opened door for me and run out. I was 15 years that time. I remember very well. I run. Go and tell my mom, see what your pastor tried to do with me or something like that. Blah 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 blah. You know. So somebody will come to my old father's house, try to rape me. Want to rape me there, I will die there. My friend, it's not possible. Pastor Biodu is your former love. Maybe it's your first love. Maybe he promised to marry you. At the end of the day, you went to marry another person. That's why you have feel frame all this blah 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 something. God will forgive you. I pray for you. God will forgive you. For your husband,